This is a thermometer. This is a beaker. This is a ice. My name is Harish. This is a beaker. This is a ice. This is put a thermometer. This is the temperature is a 15 degrees Celsius. Take a beaker with breaks or ice. तो म्हणजे एक बीकर घेऊन त्यामध्ये बर्फाचे तुकडे घेऊन ठेवा. Then take a thermometer and take it in the beaker. Note down the temperature. Thank you.